This is a 2001 Corvette. It was running pretty lean due to a dirty mass airflow sensor. So off idle, it was having some problems and kept throwing lean codes. I ran a smoke test on it and I didn't find any vacuum leaks up here. However, when I took this mass airflow sensor off, it was completely clogged with crud and little pieces of grass and dirt. And what I found was there was actually a vacuum leak where this boot goes. And I'm going to try to show that to you here. If you push up on the bottom of the boot, you can pull this plastic piece back and it will allow you to remove this boot. I took the air filter out, of course. So when I took this off, this was here and it was completely blasted. You can see it's all crushed. It wasn't even adhering to the surface. It was kind of crumpled up in there like that. So I've got this weather stripping. It's adhesive. It's basically foam with an adhesive side. And I've put that on there. And this will keep all the dirt and stuff from coming up in here and clogging this mass airflow sensor, throwing lean codes. So if your Corvette has this issue, you know you're going to want to take this off, clean everything real well with mass airflow cleaner. And you're also going to want to clean the airbox and this boot. Pretty much everything you remove, you're going to want to clean to get all the dust out to prevent it from messing up the mass airflow sensor or causing damage to the engine.